everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because I finally received my Meesho craft supplies order. In this video I'll unbox everything with you and we'll see whether these products are worth buying or not. So let's get started. The package looks safely packed and I'm already excited to open it because I ordered a lot of different craft materials for my upcoming DIY projects. Let's see what's inside one by one. The first item is this beautiful bouquet flower, also called gift wrapping paper. These colors look really pretty and the quality feels nice. This will be perfect for flower, bouquet, gift wrapping, paper decoration and static DIY projects. I'm already thinking of so many creative ideas with this. Next I got charcoal sticks. These are mainly used for sketching and shading. I am excited to try realistic drawings using these because charcoal gives such a smooth and professional look. Now here's a white gel pen. I use white gel pen for highlights in drawing, adding tiny details, lettering and making artwork pop. It's a small item but very useful for artists. Next up is glitter. Who doesn't love a little sparkle? I'll use this for greeting card, resin project, decoration and lots of fun DIY crafts. It instantly makes any projects look more attractive. Now let's check out the soft clay. These colors are so cute. The clay feels soft and easy to shape. I'll be making miniature food, cute characteristic, keychain and many aesthetic DIY creation with this. I'm really excited to start creating with it. The last item is barbecue stick. Even though they are meant for cooking, they are super useful for crafting too. I use them to make miniature furniture, dollhouse, bridges, photo frames and lots of creative DIY projects. Overall, I am really happy with this Meesho order. Everything arrived safely and the quality looks super good for the price. You will definitely see these supplies in my upcoming DIY video. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed the unboxing, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe because many fun craft videos are coming soon. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next creative video. Bye bye.